if you're looking for a washing machine cleaner, this is one to check out. I'm going to quickly show you the before and after. This was sent to me by the seller to try, and I'm excited. It brings 24 of them. Okay, you're going to throw it in, and as per instructions, you're actually going to soak it. So you're going to fill up the drum, and you're going to let it soak for 2 hours, and then you could rerun it again and get it all cleaned up. So we'll do just that, and then we'll show an after. And here's a look at the after. So definitely took out that mold smell that was kind of lingering in here, and looks a lot more shiny. So definitely recommend checking out this washing machine cleaner for something that will last the whole year.